Hey guys, gonna look at AMC this morning. I took a good trade, so I'm gonna go back and look at what I looked at. So I didn't know it didn't even run yesterday. This chart, I can see what I need to see. If I were gonna draw fibs on just today, I would look at this absolute pullback right here. I would take the fibs, I would say draw, Fibonacci, I'd go here. Did it again. You gotta love it. So I don't know why on an iPad it's so much fun, but I'm just gonna show you again what I did. So here was yesterday's high, and it peaked up and fell right back down. That is great. Two things why that is great. Now I put two alerts here at the high and see if it can re-break yesterday's high. Glad it was just a tippy top, a test of it. If you see that it broke down and then retested, and when it did retest, it did break. The good thing is if you're using our system, you'll see it break right here at 1385. And again, if you just clicked all the way over, you'll see it here. And if I go to 1 hour real quick, you're gonna see it as well here. So those were very important levels for me to look at today before I took the trade. So I drew two circles, posted in here, said I wouldn't touch this stock till it touched 1385. And then we're gonna look at it real quick, and it did do a great move here, right here. If you zoom in, I'm gonna draw a 1385 or 86 because you wanna go 1 penny over, and boom, nice little breakout here. Made, I think I went straight to like 1420 on this one. Didn't go for much. I don't like going for much because it did test out two areas and it did break. But the rest of the day it did break down. You'll see that level is also very crucial, that it keeps retesting that area. Now, if you're going to short, I would probably draw this down here and look for a breakdown of the whole stock today of that. Otherwise, I will get in if it rebounces up and retraces this area, because that would show me there's a lot of touches in that area. So I would maintain that as one of my trades. But that's AMC trade. Like I said, I took it from here because it had confluence from here. And it was a nice, easy way to, once I zoomed in on the 1 minute, it was very easy to see that it did do a nice breakout there. And when it did break, it did bullish move. So that's what you're looking for when you're doing a break, even if it's retrending, and also just kind of staying with the rules of it had to break yesterday's high. So usually it's a tester. That's part of the trading that you're going to learn, is not just jumping in at any signal. If it goes up, well, usually it'll come back and retest before it bumps. And this one definitely did retest and break down at the open. So clear one test at the start and one test at the top. So there you go. If I was looking at how to trade this just for today, I would add this one little feature that I always draw, because I didn't see this stock coming up at all. But I'm going to put a little drawing. We're going to go here. We're going to pick white. Don't know why I like white, but it works the best for me. It went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back, and went up, and then a fake out breakout at the open and died off. So I look at 1, 2, 3 run-ups, and then it can't maintain this much gain. That's $2 a share. That's probably 30% at the time. So that's what I'm looking at right there for that. Actually a 13% run. But that's what I'm looking at every time. But the best thing is, that's why I check it with the daily chart or the 1 hour chart, just to see if there's any other stops in that area, so I don't jump into this trade so early and wait for it to actually break with authority right here. So there's your trade on AMC. Hope you like it, and happy profits.